Hey everyone, welcome to Slay's Garage. In today's video, I'll be giving you a little tour of my classic car themed apartment. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get into it. So you walk in, right on your right is the TV. Got a little golf decor going on from Hobby Lobby. Got this old antique Jeep poster calendar. Got that in Saugatuck, Michigan when I was in high school. Long time ago. Probably 2014 or 15. A little Charger RT action. There's the Ford freaking Ranger out there. Got a little Pontiac General Motors action going on right here. Got this from Town Peddler Craft Antique Mall in Livonia. I used to have a puzzle up there, but it fell down. Here's the couch. Here's the puzzle. Here's the kitchen. Got this from Hobby Lobby as well, I believe. Got this from Town Peddler as well. And right below Snoopy, got an antique Coca-Cola food tray. I don't think it's technically an antique. Well, it's not that old. I think it's late 90s. A little Snoopy action going on. Got a Ritz cracker containers, Coca-Cola. '59 Caddy. Got this from Hobby Lobby. Got this from the Knoxville Expo flea market. Got this from Marketplace last year. Thought that was really cool. Beads and sequins. Snoopy 83 model calendar. This is my antique jelly cabinet. Let's see what we got in here actually. Not much. One slice of bread. Lemon. I don't even know, really. Clip bars, fruit snacks, cereal. All the essentials. Everything you need and nothing you don't. Got this from Hobby Lobby for 40 cents because it was cracked and broke. That was a steal. Coca-Cola. I think this is some sort of reproduction. Not quite an antique, but I got that from a place in Waterford. This guy's personal collection. He was moving to Florida. Forgot to show you over here on the TV stand. This clock came from that same guy. Didn't work, or he thought it didn't work at the time, but I put some batteries in it and it started ticking away. Gave that away to me for free because he thought it didn't work. And I got this little play model. This is from the movie, oh man, I can't even think of it. I'll type it right here in the video where it's from. I got this from Meyer, I think for $20 or $30, and then I got the Wagoneer from eBay, and then those other two cars I already had. Got my little Lego camper here. Got a Studebaker truck, '59 Cadillac, K5 Blazer. We got Snoopy right here, and a fake plant. Got that Snoopy mug from Facebook. Thought it was antique and real, but this black Snoopy right here, it's a freaking sticker, man. Ain't that some crap? I got a milk crate down there from Michigan. Now let's head into my bedroom. That's where all the magic happens, all the sleeping. That's the only kind of magic that goes on. Got some Super B Decor. Got a Coke crate. My big cabinet here I got for $5 from Marketplace back in Michigan. Got this bad boy from Hobby Lobby about 2 years ago. Little Jeep action right here. Here's the bathroom. Texaco. Hobby Lobby again. Got SpongeBob hanging out in the corner right there. You guessed it, probably, Hobby Lobby. I think I got that from Marketplace a couple years ago. 71 Jeep. Jeep. Got this from a follower of mine on my Grand Wagoneer Instagram page. I think it's made out of wood is what he said, but I've never actually cracked it open. Got it looks like a Fairlane wagon. I could be wrong, but got an old card right there. It's not old, but the photograph is old. A little action going on right here. A classic car culture. Tell me in the comments what cars these are. I know that blue one's a Bel Air. I think this one's a Ford, green one. I don't know what the other ones are. Maybe an Oldsmobile or something, a Pontiac, that gold one, mustard looking one. Put together this puzzle last year, glued it, put it in a frame. Got an antique plate. Got this from my friend Rio years ago. Came from eBay, M2. These 3 framed Eds I got from Crazy Daisy Antiques in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Got this one in Chattanooga. Got this Corvette frame from a friend in high school, had that a long time. Got this from Town Peddler in Livonia, same deal right there. It's a little messy over here, so excuse the mess. Got a little piano, my bike. Got that charger from a friend of my dad's. Got that in Sevierville. It's not antique or anything, but I took this charger picture when I was in high school, sitting on Woodward Avenue. It was one of the first times I ever saw a 2015 Charger Scat Pack. I used to be big into Mopar when I was in high school. My dad worked for Chrysler, so I was all about the Mopar, and then over the last couple of years, I've gotten really into classic cars. This is a picture of my Wagoneer right here, and I got a car calendar, of course. This is one of the coolest things I've ever bought right here. This is a 55 Bel Air dealership photograph. It's strange because it says 56 right there. I wonder if they just got in some 56 Chevrolets. But these are 55 Bel Airs. Body and paint department. Okay, used cars. And then below it, it has a check from that same dealership with a 54 Chevrolet on it. Got that from from Bright's Antique World in Franklin, Kentucky. Take you in the closet. It's a little bit messy in here. Excuse the mess. This was a puzzle I did. was another puzzle I did. Got some chargers and stuff right there. Over here on top of my other pie safe, I have a 1920s Ford antifreeze can that I found in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Got a couple hood ornaments here as well. I know this one belongs to a 55 Mercury, I was told. And then this one belongs to a 52 Ford or Chevrolet, I'm not sure. I forget. Then we got a little old Chevrolet, maybe a wheel cap of some sort. Got that from Chris and Friends Antiques in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. It means the world to me. It would also mean so much if you could hit that like button and go on over to the channel and see what my channel is all about. I love classic cars. I love the old classic car memorabilia. And I also have a 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. All three of those things is what I usually upload onto the channel. So if any of that interests you, please subscribe today. I also upload auto body and paint videos occasionally. But thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.